let's begin with binary subtraction, and let's recall the rules of subtraction. As we know, 1 minus 0 is 1, 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, and definitely the odd one out, 0 minus 1 is 1. This we need to remember, कि 0 minus 1 is also 1, but this happens by borrowing 1 from the previous number. So let's implement it practically. 1 minus 0 is 1 minus 0 is 1, right? Then next is 0 1, again the odd one out situation. So 0 minus 1 is 1, but it happens because of this, so this will become 0, right? So 0 minus 0 is 0. Then again we have odd one situation, 0 minus 1. So 0 minus 1 is 1, and now this becomes 1. Why? Because through this borrow was given to the neighbor. So 1 minus 1 is 0, and as this borrow was given from here, so this will become 0. So 0 minus 0 is 0, and 1 minus 1 is 0. That's all about binary subtraction. As you can see in front of you, we have a question of binary subtraction. Although it is discussed earlier, but today we are going to recall the binary subtraction. But before that, let's have a look for the basic rules. 3 basic rules are there. These are very common. As you can see, 1 minus 0 is 1. This is just like normal mathematic. 0 minus 0 is 0. This is again simple. And definitely 1 minus 1 is 0. These 3 are very basic rules. We all know, and we are doing it in mathematics while calculation. But yes, of course, some difference is there in this particular rule, where we can easily see 0 minus 1 is 1. Now the question arises, how this 0 minus 1 is 1? How 1 is subtracted from 0 and it gives 1? So for that, let's understand with the help of numerical. Actually, this all happens with the help of what? Borrow. And the concept of borrow in binary arithmetic is quite different. At the time of taking borrow, we need to convert 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. And how and why it happens? Because we need to see the situation where the 0 and 1 is there during subtraction, and accordingly we do it. So let's understand with the help of example. The first one is 1 minus 0 is 1. So this is very simple, there is no question. As we can see in the rule also, 1 minus 0 is 1. Second, we have 0 minus 1. Now this is something difficult. 0 minus 1 is 1. So when we are taking 0 minus 1 equal to 1, that means definitely this digit will be affected. So that's why this has become 0. And as this has become 0, so this 0 and this 0, when we subtract both of them, we will get another 0. Right? Now move forward. Next we have this one. As this 1 was changed into 0, so 0 minus 0 is 0. Then we have this one. 0 minus 1 is 1 as per the rules, but this will affect this particular digit, so it will become 1. And then this 1 and this 1 will give you 0. And as this 1 was used for giving the borrow, so itself it will become 0. So 0 and 0 will give you 0, and this 1 and 1 after subtracting will give you 0. So this is all the binary subtraction in front of